In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove background in Wave.video. We'll walk through a quick, reliable way to cut out a subject so you can place it on any background you like. This workflow is great for product photos, profile images, thumbnails, and social posts. I'll keep it simple, and along the way, I'll share a few tips to help you get the cleanest possible cutout. Start by heading to My Projects inside Wave.video. This is your main dashboard where new designs begin and past work is stored. If you're already logged in, you'll land here by default. If not, just sign in and you'll see the My Projects area right away. Next, click the Create button to start a fresh project. This opens up the creation flow so you're working in a clean space, which makes background removal easier to preview and adjust afterward. From the creation options, choose Blank Image. Starting with a blank canvas gives you full control of the layout, and it keeps the focus on the subject you're about to cut out. You won't be fighting with a pre-made template, so it's perfect for a straightforward background removal. Now choose a format. Think about where this image will be used. For a YouTube thumbnail, go with a horizontal 16:9. For Instagram, a square 1:1 or vertical 4:5 works well. You can change the size later, but picking the right aspect ratio up front helps your subject fit the frame and reduces cropping issues down the line. Click Upload Media and select the image you want to edit. For best results, use a high-resolution photo with good lighting and clear contrast between the subject and the background. Busy, low-light images can work, but they may require more cleanup. Common formats like JPG and PNG are ideal. With your image on the canvas, click Remove Background. Wave.video uses AI to detect your subject and cut away the backdrop automatically. It's particularly strong with people and products on simple backgrounds, but it also handles more complex edges like hair surprisingly well. Keep the subject centered and large in the frame to help the tool lock on accurately. Now wait for it to process for a few minutes. You'll see a progress indicator, and once it's done, your subject will appear on a transparent background, often shown as a checkerboard. Take a quick look around the edges. If the cut isn't perfect, try a sharper source image or one with more separation from the background. And that's it. Your background is removed and ready